Bail bondsman refers to a professional agent for an insurance company who specializes in providing bail bonds for people charged with crimes and awaiting trial in order to have them released. The offices of a bail bondsman are usually found close to the local courthouse and jail. His or her advertising is found in the yellow pages, and some make house calls to the jail or hand out cards in court. Bail bondsmen usually charge the suspect a fee of 10% of the amount of the bond. If a bail bondsman has reason to believe a person he bailed out is about to flee, he may revoke the bond and surrender his client to jail.